Here we go. Here's the last one we're going to do for this part. M is equal to 3. We have x1, y1, x1 is 9, y1 is 4. So let's go ahead and plug our information in, see where we stand. We've got y minus y1 is 4, is equal to m is 3, times x minus x1 is 9. So red stands for substitute, blue is original, okay? So now I'm going to take this and I'm going to rewrite it in standard form. So to do that, I want to make sure and distribute, get rid of those parentheses, okay? So I have y minus 4 is equal to 3 times x is 3x. 3 times negative 9 is negative 27. And that gets rid of parentheses. The next step is to put numbers on one side, letters on the other. Now this time I'm going to move the 4 over first, just so that you can see it doesn't matter which one you move first. You still should get the same values, okay? So I'm going to move the 4 first by doing the opposite, which is addition. And when I do that, I get y is equal to positive 3x minus 23, because remember, you have different signs here. So different signs means that you have to subtract and take the sign of the bigger number. Now what you'll notice here is I see y equals mx plus b. That is slope-intercept form. So I can also go from point slope to slope-intercept very quickly. It just depends on, again, what is it that they're asking you to find. So you just have to be careful and make sure you understand what it is they're looking for before you get started, okay? But once we get to this step, to do standard form, all I got to do now is move 3x to the other side. So I'm going to move 3x by doing the opposite, which is subtraction. And when I do that, I get negative 3x plus y is equal to negative 23. And if you want to leave it like that, fine. If you don't, fine. If your editor says, hey, I want you to not have a negative in front of your x, remember all you have to do is take this, multiply by negative 1. And when you multiply by negative 1, all it does essentially is change all the signs of everything. So that would give you a positive 3x, that would give you a negative 1y, and that would give you a positive 23. So you can do that. Your last step, if you want to set it equal to 0, would be to take the 23, move it over by doing the opposite. So I'll do that last step for you. Oops, we're going to subtract 23, not add 23. We're going to move it over here. And when I do that, I get 3x minus y minus 23 is equal to 0. So it is just depending on what the book, what the editor wants you to find, okay? The key is, what information do they give you to even start with? That's one of the most important things. If they give you this information, then you know you have to start at point slope form. If they give you the slope and the intercept, then you can start here at slope intercept form and skip all of this, okay? It just depends on what they give you as to how much work you're going to actually have to do. All right? I'll see you next time.